Hey there, Garage Door business owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the holy grail of getting more customers for your garage door repair business. So, the best technique to get more repair and installation customers is optimizing your online presence or website, because most of your potential customers are searching on Google when they need you. That's right. We are talking about SEO, search engine optimization. If you want your business to show up at the top of search results, stay tuned because we have got the ultimate strategy for you. Also, before diving into the video, I'd like you to have a look at the video description and pinned comment. You'll see a link there. That link will redirect you to our website, and you can just book a free consultation call with me, and we'll be discussing how we can take off your business and grow it rapidly. We'll also need to see if we are a good fit for each other. Now, let's jump into our main topic. First thing first, why local SEO? Let's kick things off by understanding why local SEO is a game changer for your business. When someone is in your area and searching for, let's say, emergency garage door repair, you want your business to be the first thing they see, right? That's where local SEO comes in. By optimizing your website and online presence, you can make sure your business pops up when your potential customers are in dire need, right? Now let's see how to start the SEO campaign for your business. Now, the foundation of a killer SEO strategy is a solid keyword research. You need to know what your potential customers are typing into the search bar. Tools like Google Keyword Planner is a free tool and is your best friend here. Identify those high intent keywords like garage door spring repair, 24/7 garage door service, emergency garage door repair near me, and garage door installation near me, and that sort of stuff. Just go on Google Keyword Planner and select your keyword and geo. Let me exactly show you what I mean by that. Now here I am in the dashboard of Google Keyword Planner. You will need to select your location from here, and then you will need to put your keyword, just a broad topic here. For instance, I will add garage door repair near me. Click on get results and you will see something like this. Okay, just increase these things. Okay, so garage door repair near me, garage door installation near me, overhead door company near me, garage door opener near me. You'll find tons of keywords just from this. This is a golden nugget here. Okay, this is a gold mine for you, and this tool is absolutely free. This doesn't cost you a penny. Okay, so now next up, let's talk about on-page optimization. This is where you tweak your website to tell search engines that you are the real deal. You'll need to craft compelling title tags, meta descriptions, and create informative, user-friendly content that not only showcases your expertise but also provides value to your visitors. You'll need to add your keywords that we got previously in keyword research part, and you'll need to add that in your content and heading. Okay, here's an example of that. This is the H1, that is heading 1. This is the primary title of this web page, and if you see the title, the H heading of this particular web page is garage door repair in Ajax. This is the keyword that this particular garage door company is targeting, because they are an Ajax based garage door repair company. So you'll find that they have added their keywords tons of time here: garage door repair in Ajax, Ontario, and special garage door sale, and types of garage door. You see how many times they have added garage door and Ajax in their content. Again, garage door installation cost in Ajax. This is super important and definitely a great way to amp up your rankings in Google. Now you need to, as I said, you need to add your keywords that we got previously in keyword part, and you need to add those in your content and also your headings. Second thing we want to do is add images with alt tags. Alt tags are alternative tags given to the images. We need to add our keywords in the alt tag. When you add images from your backend, you will see an option to add that. That's pretty simple, and I don't think I'll need to show that, but if you want, just comment below and I'll create a video on that. Okay, now the fourth segment here is Google My Business. Now, have you claimed your Google My Business listing? If not, stop everything and do it now. Also, make sure that you have verified your GMB profile. This is gold for local businesses like yours. Okay, so let's exactly show, once you have claimed or once you have verified your GMB profile, how you'll need to verify that. Okay, how you'll need to optimize that. Okay, just click on edit profile. okay, and make sure that your business category is garage or supplier, because in our this niche, this is gonna be the primary category we are gonna use. Okay, then the second thing we want here is description. We should have pretty optimized description. You need to have your company name in description, your city that you're targeting in the description, and also all the services, all the mention of the services in the description. This is super important. Okay, now let's see the other stuff. The contact section, make sure to have a phone number, website, and then also business location. Okay, and you will see an option of service area here. Make sure you're adding what's the city that you're targeting, what's the city that you're serving here. This is also again very important. Okay, then what you need to add here is hours, and make sure that is correct. This business actually is opened 24 hours, so we have added this, but you need to add your own. Here you don't need to add much stuff. Okay, now the next thing in optimization of GMB is getting more reviews. This is super important stuff. Okay, what I want you to do here is, if you already have some customers, and what I need you to do is call them and ask them to give you a review, right? This is very important. Okay, you need to do this. Just call them or just email them and ask for a review. If you can get maybe 5, 10 or 15 of the reviews, this is gonna be of great help to your GMB profile. The next thing I want to do is add the products here. For instance, new garage door repair. We are still gonna add that, but I'm just gonna give you this tip. Okay, now another thing is posting pretty frequently here. Okay, just click on add update, and you will be able to post a content here. This is pretty simple, and I don't think I'll need to tell this much. Make sure you are also adding up photos here, and then the next thing is gonna be adding a button. In most of the cases, you're just good with call now button, because ultimately that's the thing that you want your customers to do, right? So there you have it. The hashtag unveil, or the best way to get garage repair customers, is through a killer SEO strategy. And by mastering local searches, nailing keyword research, and while optimizing your Google My Business, you're setting your business up for success. Remember, SEO is not a one-time thing. Keep refining your strategy, adapting to changes, and watch your business reach to the top of those search results. Okay, and I'm pretty sure if you follow all the stuff that I said in this video, you're definitely gonna see pretty good improvements in your rankings. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more garage door business tips, and if you're interested in talking with me and how I can help you grow your garage door company, just book a free consultation call with me, and we'll see if we are a good fit. Right, till then, bye bye.